In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to Bitget. By the end, you'll be able to place trades on Bitget directly from your TradingView charts using the tools you already know and love. First, open your web browser and go to tradingview.com. Give the page a moment to load so all the charting tools and panels are available. If you already have TradingView open, make sure you're on the main site and not a lightweight chart page. A stable internet connection helps prevent hiccups during the connection process. Once you're on TradingView, look to the right side of the interface where the watch list lives. Select any symbol there. This can be a market you're interested in or one you plan to trade on Bitget. Choosing a familiar symbol will make it easier to verify everything is working once you connect. Next, switch to the full chart view. Click the full chart button so you're using the advanced chart layout. This view gives you the complete set of drawing tools, indicators, and most importantly, the trading panel you'll need for the connection. Now draw your attention to the bottom area of the chart. On the lower left, you'll see the trading panel tab. Click that to open it. If you don't see it right away, hover around the bottom of the chart to reveal the panel bar or slightly expand the chart window until the panel appears. Inside the trading panel, you'll find a list of supported brokers and exchanges. Scroll through the list and find Bitget, then click it. If the list is long, use the search field at the top of the panel to quickly locate Bitget. You should see the Bitget tile with an option to proceed. Finally, click Connect. TradingView will open a secure connection flow so it can link to your Bitget account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. If a confirmation window appears, ensure it's the official TradingView and Bitget connection dialog and proceed as directed. When the connection is successful, the status in the trading panel will show that Bitget is connected and your order panel will be ready for use. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're in the full chart view since the trading panel doesn't appear on minimal layouts. If Bitget doesn't show up, try refreshing the page and reopening the trading panel. And if the connect button seems unresponsive, wait a moment and try again to allow any background loading to complete. That's it. Your TradingView is now connected to Bitget, so you can analyze and execute in one place.